Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled at the edge of a dense forest, there lived a girl named Mira. Mira had the most curious eyes and a heart that longed for adventure. Her favorite thing in the world was to lie on the soft grass at night and gaze at the endless stars twinkling in the sky. One evening, as Mira was watching the stars, she saw something extraordinary. A star began to fall, leaving behind a trail of shimmering light. But instead of fading into the distance, the star landed gently in the forest nearby. Filled with wonder, Mira decided to follow the glowing path it had left behind. Carrying her little lantern, she entered the forest. The trees seemed alive, their branches whispering secrets. As she walked deeper, the air grew cool, and the sound of a soft melody reached her ears. Soon, she found the fallen star resting in a glade. It wasn't just a star, it was a sparkling necklace of tiny, glowing gems. As Mira reached out to touch it, a voice spoke, soft as the breeze. "Dear Mira, I am the spirit of the stars. This necklace belongs to the sky, but it seems to have lost its way. Will you help me return it?" Mira nodded eagerly, her adventurous spirit alight. "How can I help?" The spirit smiled and said, "The necklace can only rise back to the sky when it feels the purest joys of the earth. Travel through the village and beyond, collecting moments of kindness, laughter, and love." Mira took the necklace and set off on her journey. She helped a farmer rescue his trapped lamb, shared stories with an old woman who had no one to talk to, and played her flute for the children, filling the air with music. With each kind act, the necklace glowed brighter, its light dancing like fireflies. After many days, Mira returned to the glade. The spirit of the stars appeared, her face glowing with gratitude. "You have filled this necklace with the magic of kindness and joy. It is ready to return home." As Mira lifted the necklace, it floated gently into the air, rising higher and higher until it joined the stars above. That night, the sky sparkled brighter than ever, and a new constellation appeared, a necklace of stars, shining in honor of Mira's kind heart. From that day on, whenever Mira looked at the night sky, she felt a warmth in her heart, knowing she had left her mark on the heavens.